Buying Property in Portugal, a step-by-step guide. Dreaming of owning a home in Portugal? Our guide makes buying property as a foreigner straightforward. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure a smooth transaction and avoid common pitfalls. Start by researching different regions in Portugal to find an area that fits your lifestyle and needs. Consider climate, services, cost of living, and connectivity. Next, define your needs, the type of property you are looking and budget. Consider the location, size, type of property, amenities, and your purchase purpose, whether for investment, residency, or rental. Utilize popular real estate websites like Idealista or Remax.pt to begin searching for properties. These platforms offer filters and virtual tours, helpful for remote buyers. Consider hiring a local real estate agent who speaks your language and understands the market. They can assist with property searches, negotiations, and legal processes. You'll need a fiscal number, NIF, to proceed with property buying in Portugal. Non-EU residents must apply through a tax representative. A person with Portugal residency or citizenship can become a tax representative for a foreigner. This could be a lawyer, accountant, or a foreigner friend. The tax representative should be present when the foreigner submits their documents. Open a bank account in Portugal to facilitate transactions and payments related to your property purchase. Explore properties using virtual tours to narrow down your choices, an effective tool when buying from abroad. Before proceeding with the purchase, it is important to perform due diligence to ensure that the property complies with all local laws and regulations. This includes verifying the legality of the construction, the existence of liens or mortgages on the property, and other potential legal issues. Hence, the importance of working with an international real estate agency that offers the services of its lawyer for free, and that allows hiring an experienced real estate agent to ensure that the asking price is aligned with the market value of the property. Before embarking on the journey of buying a house, it is essential to assess your financial situation and explore your financing option plan to take out a mortgage. Research various Portuguese banks to find the best interest rates and terms that suit your needs. At Remax, we offer the free services of our credit intermediary, Max Finance, who can help you find the best financing option among different banks. Once you have found the desired property and conducted due diligence, the next step is to formalize a purchase proposal. This process can be done from a distance with the help of your real estate agent. The negotiation of the price and purchase conditions will also be conducted by your agent, based on your instructions. When you find the house you want, make an offer through your estate agent. Your agent will assist in negotiating the terms, including the purchase price and conditions. The offer should be in writing and should include the following information: the purchase price, the terms of payment, and the closing date. After your offer is accepted, sign a legally binding promissory contract of purchase and sale, CPCV, which can be done electronically. Pay a deposit, typically 10% of the purchase price, upon signing the CPCV. This may require a Portuguese bank transfer. Pay the property transfer tax, IMT, in Portugal before finalizing the purchase. The final step is the deed of purchase and sale, which is carried out at a notary office in Portugal. For buyers from a distance, it is possible to grant power of attorney to a representative, such as your lawyer or real estate agent, to sign the deed on your behalf. After the signing, the property must be registered in your name at the land registry. Consider getting home insurance to protect your new property in Portugal. Congratulations, the property is now yours. Enjoy your new home. Many expats rent out their properties for extra income when not in use. Remax Cidadela, since 2004 in Cascais and Lisbon. We have already helped over 4,500 families buy their dream homes.